Venturing into the nature can bring unexpected encounters with wildlife. To avoid disaster when meeting a wild animal, remain calm and non-threatening. Make yourself appear larger by standing tall, but avoid direct eye contact as some animals may perceive it as a challenge. Slowly back away while speaking softly, showing the animal you're not a threat. Educate yourself about the local wildlife before your adventure, learning specific behaviors to watch for. Never feed or attempt to touch wild animals, as this can provoke aggression. Carry bear spray or other deterrents if appropriate for the region. Lastly, traveling in groups and staying on designated trails can greatly reduce the risk of a dangerous wildlife encounter. Always prioritize your safety and the preservation of natural habitats. In the event of an encounter, know the specific defense strategies for the animal you're facing. If it's a mountain lion, maintain eye contact, make noise, and try to look intimidating. For snakes, give them wide berth and avoid sudden movements. Understanding these defensive techniques can help you react appropriately. Always report any aggressive animal behavior to local authorities to help protect others. Your preparedness is crucial for coexisting with wildlife safely. Should an encounter with a wild animal escalate, it is vital to have a plan of action. In regions with venomous creatures, learning first aid for bites can be life-saving. Travel with a well-stocked first aid kit and know the location of the nearest medical facility. Additionally, wear appropriate clothing to protect against bites, scratches, or harsh weather, especially in habitats with extreme conditions. While outdoors, keep your campsite clean and secure food items to prevent attracting wildlife. Remember, your actions can help ensure a safe and respectful encounter with nature's inhabitants. Understanding your environment is another key factor. Research the terrain and become familiar with wildlife trails and natural food sources. This knowledge can help you predict animal behavior and avoid walking into a potentially dangerous situation. When camping, use animal-proof containers for food and dispose of waste properly to minimize scents that could attract wildlife. Additionally, consider the time of day. Some animals are more active at dawn and dusk, therefore, more caution in these situations can prevent danger. Remember, respecting wildlife is respecting your safety. By adopting the right mindset and actions, you can manage a surprise wildlife encounter effectively. Always stay informed about the wildlife in the area you're visiting. If you're venturing into known predator territory, travel in noisy groups to deter animals from approaching. Still, in the face of a tense situation, use a firm, calm voice to assert your dominance without provoking an attack. Should physical confrontation become unavoidable, fight back with anything at hand, targeting the animal's sensitive areas, like the eyes and nose. Remember, your safety is paramount when exploring nature, and staying alert can help prevent a peaceful encounter from becoming a disaster. Staying vigilant is essential when encountering wildlife. Always keep a safe distance and avoid surprising animals, as startled creatures are more likely to attack. Familiarize yourself with the signs of agitation in animals, such as growling or hissing. Recognize these warnings and retreat slowly, not making eye contact for a long time. With the right precautions and respect for wildlife, you can enjoy the beauty of nature without causing harm. In conclusion, managing wildlife encounters requires a blend of knowledge, respect, and preparedness. Equip yourself with the right tools, awareness of animal behavior, and the commitment to act responsibly. Stay on marked trails, be aware of your surroundings, and know how to react to various species you might meet. By doing so, you can ensure both your safety and the well-being of the wildlife, turning a potential disaster into an enriching experience with nature. Ultimately, coexistence is key to enjoying the nature without harm. Following these guidelines, it's also wise to familiarize yourself with emergency procedures. Ensure your mobile device is fully charged before setting out, and if you're in an area with poor reception, consider carrying a satellite phone or a personal locator beacon. Share your itinerary with someone who isn't joining the trip, so they can alert authorities if you don't return as scheduled. Whether you're an avid hiker, a casual camper, or an outdoor enthusiast, it is very important to adopt these practices. In the wild, which is very unpredictable, in case of an emergency, act swiftly and effectively. If bitten or injured, seek immediate medical assistance. Apply first aid knowledge to control the situation until help is available. Remember, rapid response can be the difference between a minor injury and a life-threatening situation. Being prepared for the unexpected is your best defense in the nature. Enjoy the adventure, but always prioritize safety to avoid disaster with wild animals.